Welcome to CoinBook. My name is Calvin Waite, and I'm a professional crypto trader. I really like getting feedback from you guys about the market, what you're trading, successes, failures, so I'm going to go ahead and start giving out a t-shirt every week now. What I'll do is I'll look at all comments from Thursday to Thursday, and then Friday select a random winner. Well, that didn't take long. At the end of day, we had a really nice bullish candle here, and now that we're up above our doji candle here, this formation is invalidated. This would have been very bearish had we not been able to overtake it, and in a matter of a couple of days, we're up above it. So this tells you that after almost tripling and having a cap formation at the top of an insane run, we are still going up. That tells you so much about how much strength is in this market. There are some big buyers in Bitcoin right now. So it is hard to say when we'll actually see our correction. Quite a few months ago, I mentioned that if we ever did cross 20,000 with authority and convinced investors that we were going above it, I said we will probably go straight to 50. So I'm just looking at these. Oh, sorry, we got a kind of a bad connection. But yeah, I'm looking at the strength in Bitcoin, and it is absolutely incredible to see how far we are going, and it's just relentless. So there's some deep pockets picking up Bitcoin, and what's interesting is that our the behavior of Bitcoin in the past was a lot of big hedge funds, what we kind of term as whale manipulation. That term has gone around for quite a few years. What is happening is the whales that are trying to manipulate, they are selling their stack to these giant corporations. So this whale move, because we looked at this move back yesterday, we looked at this move, and a move that is sudden, it has a sudden move up and then a sudden move down. Let me get over to the right day. Yeah, this right here. So this was our doji candle formation right here. We had a strong move up, a bit of a consolidation, and then a quick move up, and these are 5-minute bars. So in a matter of 1 hour, we had gone up to our new all-time high and then absolutely plummeted down. So this was sort of a whale manipulation move. And what's happening is these whales that have all this ability to buy and sell and push prices around, they are essentially giving their stack to these giant corporations. And the giant corporations are simply buying in any kind of a dip. They are simply picking it up. And then these whales are in a situation where they are upside down, and then they have to FOMO back in and replenish their stack. And then look at this. This was a total move again to drop us. But no way. We are just not dropping. So nobody has an appetite to drop Bitcoin right now. And it is remarkable. It is absolutely legendary to be alive at this time watching Bitcoin with more strength than we've ever had, and we're coming up on 30,000. I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 30,000 within the next few days, because even though this doji was really volatile and short-lived, it technically counts as a very slight consolidation because it established a top. We traded within its bounds for a few days. Now we are coming out. So I'm betting we'll see 30,000 near the end of the year. So anyway, pretty incredible. So with Bitcoin's jump today, the altcoin market is taking a hit again. You can still see, though, that even though we're at 7.5 million Bitcoin as a market cap, you can see that our drop definitely has changed course a little bit. We are pumping the brakes. This decline is slowing, so we may have a chance to level off and do a consolidation. If the altcoin market can just consolidate for a couple of weeks to a month, we might start seeing an upswing. So I've been keeping my eye on this. Today it was quite incredible. The alts are pretty low. I was looking at Bitcoin dominance, and it looks like Bitcoin dominance gained another full percent. So these are big moves. These 1% up and down, it's a ton of money that's being thrown around, because now that the total market cap is so big, this move, any of these moves, is translating into a ton of money flowing into alts or out of alts. So when the swing favors us and heads in our direction, it's going to be pretty awesome. Others, so these are the micro caps. They had a pretty good drop, and they are just slowly selling off. So we're in the red zone there, and we're just waiting for things to kind of level off. But in the meantime, Bitcoin definitely has the show right now. This is Bitcoin lately. Oh, it's going up and down. It's going to correct. We're about to go down, and now we're going to a higher diving board. So there's not a ton to highlight on alts, since most are having a pretty rough day, but I am still watching Digibyte very closely. We do have that swing low is definitely in the books. Today we tried to have a green day, but we're kind of going sideways a little bit. So we're just watching to see if we find our bottom here and we can turn around higher than this, then we're golden. This is going to be a sweet trade. So watching that very closely. And the only other thing that is really noteworthy today is that our good buddy Decred that we've been talking about for a little while since we exited the red zone, it is going to have a golden cross in 4.5 hours. So we've had a really long sideways consolidation above the 200. Now we've pulled back into the cross here, but if we have this golden cross, that is quite a signal. We love golden crosses. That can be a very long-term bullish indicator. So I'm definitely keeping my eye on Decred. We definitely got in down here, so our trade is up around 25 to 30%, but we're still being patient. This is not the time to be exiting this. We are waiting for number go up. So anyway, looking pretty good. Hope everyone has an awesome New Year's. Tomorrow I'll try to get on and do a short one too, just to try to keep things going. My internet connection is not great where I'm at, but we're just doing the best we can. But man, it's incredible. Seeing Bitcoin going up like this is just absolutely incredible.
Okay, it is time to separate the CoinBook trolls from the CoinBook fans. So these are the magnificent t-shirts that we are giving away every Friday. These are individually packaged with love from your best friends, China. There's also this incredible option designed by yours truly, and we'll be giving away probably 1 or 2 of these every Friday to just a random comment on any of the videos over the past week. But, and I don't blame you, if you absolutely cannot live without one of these shirts, I am willing to part with them for $15 worth of your favorite crypto. Just reach out to me on social media and we'll get you guys hooked up.